this dog.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't want to see.
No. Both of them out there.
There's two dogs?
Yeah.
Fuck. Oh my gosh.
It's alright.
Oh, the bikers is with them.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay.
The bikers need to pull over. Would be a really
Yes.
solid. Oh my gosh. Dude.
You get out of the way, Drew. I don't want to get in a head-on collision.
Oh my
Fuck.
goodness. That truck was not watching me or the dogs.
Oh my gosh.
Give this guy a ride.
You want to ride? Should we give him a ride? You want a ride?
Thank you. Yeah.
My gosh.
Those bikers need to stop.
Fuck.
Is that what they're
Sorry.
chasing, or the bikers?
Yes.
Of course they are.
Oh my gosh. Why don't they stop?
Dog's never fucking trained properly. It's so annoying.
Should we just pull over and block the... Oh my gosh, they're so fast. Well, do you want to give them